React-19 will also introduce some important hooks which will make form handling streamlined and create a smooth experience for users. Traditionally, in older versions of React, we did handle form submission by making an API call to update the data on the server and then update the UI based on the response. This involves managing states for loading, success, and error conditions. Ultimately, to manage different states, we might have to write lots of code that could get messy and repetitive. React-19 new hook useTransition simplifies this problem. It can handle the pending states. Let's understand this by an example. In this code, we have a form where users can update their name. This code is created in an older version of React. Here are imports. Then we have defined a component that is update name. These are the state variables and a handle submission function which triggers on form submit, and this is the JSX form rendering section. Now in React-19, we might see improvements in state management with a new hook called useTransition. Do remember, these changes are based on initial information that comes from React team. Final implementation of actions and hooks in React-19 may differ slightly. So in this code, instead of directly managing isPendingState, useTransition automatically sets a state called isPending to true when the actions like fetch request starts. Basically, by the help of the useTransition hook, we can eliminate manual isPendingState management. So let me replace this isPendingState to useTransition hook, where it returns an array of two elements, isPending and startTransition, which is the function. And we can now use async await within useTransition to handle asynchronous operations like fetch requests neatly. So let me update the startTransition at handle submit function with async, and let me remove this set isPending status. There is one more thing. Once the action completes either successfully or with the error, useTransition automatically updates the isPendingState to false. So we can also remove the false state of set isPending. So this is how we may change the form and handle pending states in React-19. We will also discuss some other new hooks introduced in React-19, but in some other lecture.